This week at Aldi, it's gardening week, and the first thing I saw was 2 trolleys of completely dead plants. So it didn't start well. But as soon as I got into the special buys, it was a completely different story. There are some really good finds this week, loads of solar lighting, really affordable planters, and all the essentials to get your garden ready for summer at properly low prices. I even picked up some lights which I've already tested in my own garden. And I also spotted what looks like a method cleaning dupe. So let me show you everything that's actually worth buying this week in Aldi. I had a quick look at the plants outside and unfortunately they hadn't been watered. Now this is easily done. I've worked in garden centres. Sometimes the trolley will get missed, so I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. They also had some hanging baskets that weren't great, but if they are good in your store, they were good value. These hanging baskets were $4.99, and at that price they would make a pretty display. They did, however, have some really lovely rhododendrons. These were $8.99. They look much healthier, really full plants, and $8.99 is a really good price. They'd be double that in a big garden centre. We bought a few of these last year, so I didn't need any more for the front garden, but they were really good quality. Just to show you about the other plants, but I'll let them off this time. They had these teacups or watering can planters which were $9.99. They say they're suitable for indoor and outdoor use, UV frost and weather resistant, and I just thought they were really pretty and a little bit different. They then had these plant caddies which were $5.99. They had 4 wheels, 2 with brakes, and they're suitable for indoor and protected outdoor use. You can get them round or square and they come in brown and grey. I did pick one of these up. I got a really heavy plant that I think is going to be perfect on one of these, so let me know if you like the look of these or would you leave them behind. These solar extra large bollard lights were very impressive. They have a large solar panel, a rechargeable battery, and they are weather resistant with around 8 hours of light in the evening. They're 50 centimetres tall, so they felt really big and sturdy. They also have a spike in the base which folds out to if you want to put them in the ground. I didn't pick them up, but I'm now regretting it. Let me know, would you have picked these up? Next they had these solar spotlights. Now I actually bought a couple of these a few years ago and they're still going strong in my front garden. They're $4.49, a solar panel on the top, 2-year warranty. You just stick them in straight in the ground and you're off. They're really great for lighting pathways or highlighting plants. They also had these solar crackle stake lights which were $7.99. They come in a few different colours and they actually felt really sturdy. But the ones I came in for were these fence lights. You get a pack of 4 for $8.99. They're solar powered and these are going to be perfect for my new deck planters. I'm building them at the moment and these will light them up perfectly, so I did pick a pack of those up. They also had a shed light with a little sensor, again $8.99, really handy if you can't wire power. Then they had these light sets which were $9.99 for 5, but I was a little bit disappointed in these as you could only get rainbow or blue. If they'd have had these in white, I definitely would have picked up a packet for my planters, but if you like the colours, they were a really good price. But let me know, do you prefer white lights or coloured in the garden? One item they didn't have in my store was the 270 litre storage box. This comes with wheels and a lockable lid, so worth looking out for in your store if they have it. They also had a metal garden obelisk, which was $9.99. Now, I do want some obelisks, but I've decided I want a willow one, and this one does need to be assembled, so just be aware of that. Then continuing with the solar lights, they had a really big selection of these wind chimes. These would make a really lovely gift, and there were lots of different designs. They had ones with butterflies, even ones with little light bulbs, multicoloured bubble style ones, and even some floral ones. The one item that was clearly very popular were these $4.99 solar mushroom stake lights. They were almost sold out, and I was nearly the first person in the shop. So if you like the look of these, you will need to be quick. But let me know, would you go for something like this, or do you prefer more simple garden lighting? If you're looking for some affordable pots, they did have a few options. They come in two sizes. The small was $4.99 and the large is $7.99. They also come in three colours, a bluey grey, a cranberry colour and a green. They're just really good price for the size, and they're nice simple designs, so you can add drainage holes in the bottom if you need to as well. This week they also had some garden boots in stock. They came in three different designs: a floral print, a navy and white spot, and a dark khaki option. Sizing was 4 to 8 for the printed styles and 7 to 12 for the khaki. These actually felt like really good quality and well made for the price, so I did pick a pair of these up as my daughter keeps stealing my wellies. But let me know, do you buy your garden bits from Aldi, or do you prefer a garden centre? One of the items I came in for was this power blaster at $5.99. It's designed for high pressure cleaning, so you can use it on your patio, your car, decking, fencing, or even just for watering. It comes with two different attachments and fits a standard garden hose. I did pick one up, so I'll let you know how I get on with it, but let me know, would you use something like this in your garden? They also had these solar welcome lights. I've had a couple of these outside my house for about 6 years. These are solar powered, they have an on and off switch, and they give around 8 hours of light in the evening. They're really useful for me because we couldn't have wiring put in 6 years ago. They're $7.49 and I think they're just a really good buy. They also had these half barrel style planters. They're $5.99. They're UV resistant, so the colour won't fade, and I thought these are really sweet and a good option for the price. But let me know, would you go for something like this, or do you prefer something a little more modern? They also had a selection of garden tools, which were just $5.49. The quality was actually pretty good for the price. You had a broom, a wire brush, a fan rake, and a standard rake. And then they had these decorative topiary balls. They come in a range of colours with chains so you can hang them up, including blue and white flowers, and they were $11.99. A nice way to add a bit of interest to the garden. But let me know, would you go for something like this, or do you prefer real plants? On my way out, I just popped into the plant menu section as a few of you messaged me about these, saying they're as good as the IKEA veggie meatballs, and if you see my IKEA videos, you'll know I'm still not over them getting rid of them, so I'm going to give them a try and I'll let you know what they're like. They've also just launched these no fish fillets. I don't eat fish. Give these a try and I will report back. Then I spotted these again, these little beauty sets. They're now down to $5.99, and honestly the lip gloss alone is worth it. It's meant to be a dupe of a Dior one, and you also get a mascara, a spray and a sponge. And they also had these cleaning attachments left. If you watch my last video, you'll know they never actually had the pressure washer in this store, so I'm not surprised they've got these left. And one thing I was looking for, these are dishwasher tablets. They won a Good Housekeeping award, and I tried them out a couple of weeks ago and they were brilliant, but the shelf was completely empty, so definitely keep an eye out for these. And finally, I'd seen a few people talking about this cleaning product. It's meant to be similar to Method, but it's only £1.75. I'm a big fan of Method, and this is plant-based as well. So I'll give it a try and I will let you know. But let me know, have you already tried any of these and are they actually any good? Back from Aldi, so I'd quickly show you what I got. I thought these were really good, these little faux barrel plants. I got a perfect spot on my deck that needed something that exact shape to fill it, so probably put some herbs in that. But $5.99, they will all sell out. I got myself a new pair of gardening boots because my boots have been stolen by my daughter. So these are $9.99. So I like the pattern on those, couple of little patterns. I bought these a couple of weeks ago and I said to myself, if I go in there and they've got one more pack, I'm going to get another pack. So I did. There was a few left on the shelf of those, and I really like them. So I've got 10 of those now. This is a power blaster. I got this because it clips onto the hose and it's multi-use. So if I want, I've just pressure washed the deck with the amazing pressure washer I bought last couple of weeks ago from Aldi for £35. It was brilliant. If they still have them available, highly recommended. So you can use it on patio and deck, clean fences, watering, but I thought just to give it a quick spritz up, this would be really handy. And also you can use it on the car as well, so I thought I would give it a try and I'll let you know. I think these again will be popular because that's quite a good price. And this plant caddy is really heavy and it's made of like the artificial deck. So this would be good for one of the plants I've got outside, a rose. So I thought, well, I quite like this. So I went for this colour. Again, that was $5.99. These gardening gloves were a pack of 2 for $2.99. And I love the fact they always put 70s patterns on them. But I went for the large, because the medium I thought was a little bit small, so I couldn't try them on because they're in the packet. But I picked up a pair of those. Then some fencing lights, came in a pack of 4. These were $8.99. And I have bought 2 packets. Take it out, they look like that. So they're solar panelled, and then it lights it up. So I've got these to put on my planters I am building with the world's wonkiest decking in the garden. So I thought they would be really good at lighting it up. And you get the screws with it as well. Pack of screws. Also got those. This is very similar, a bit of a dupe for the Method cleaner, and this is the rhubarb one, and it's a plant-based cleaner. So I thought I would give it a try because the price of Method, I don't know if you noticed, it's quite expensive. So I'll give it a try and report back. Sadly, no dishwasher tablets. I'll try again next week. They also had some new plant things. Now this wasn't supposed to be until next week, but I checked and I found them in the fridge. They are salt and vinegar no fish fillets. I'll let you know what they're like. And a pack of these. So we'll see if they are better. Well, you can't get the IKEA ones at the moment, so we'll see if these are a good substitute. So that's everything I got. Let me know if you saw anything you liked this week in the gardening week. Don't forget to check out the other videos on my channel. I have loads and so many more coming. I've got a really exciting one coming up on Sunday when Little Drop, possibly the best drop they've ever done. So don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss that. But thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you on the next one. quick one before I go. My small business, the Linen Organiser, is now back in stock. If you want your bedding neat, separated and easy to find, these bands keep everything together perfectly. They're available in all sizes and you can shop them on Amazon with free Prime delivery across the UK. I'll leave the link below.